Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. As you can see, we have another Boston Scaly unboxing. Now, I was on the fence on this one. I wasn't sure if I was going to buy it or not. It is something back from the World War II days. Famous painter by Rockwell. He did one of the tattoo artists. He's done several other World War II as well as some of the racial segregation back in those days as well. But one of the other famous ones is Rosie the Riveter, who just happens to be one of the Rosie the Riveters who was here in celebrating her 100th birthday yesterday, Connie Palacio. She is actually from Wichita. They had her on the news last night saying how she was ended up taking her husband's job when he was called into war, World War II. Pretty fascinating story, and she actually dresses up like Rosie the Riveter, has a little bandana on there. Pretty cool. But this is the tattoo. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. Now, I don't think I'll be wearing this cap much, as today it was 85 degrees here in Wichita. So this is going to be more for the cooler weather months, fall, spring. And we'll see what's all in here. Oh, got some goodies here. Let's see what we got. Put the box down here. All right, so they came with some stickers. And I didn't get any pins because, like I said, I wasn't for sure if I was going to keep or going to purchase the cap. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. It does come with a tag with a tattoo series as well. And then the inside is the tattoo painting by Norman Rockwell. I did get an X medium large. Nice looking cap. Like I said, I wasn't for sure I was going to get it just because of the weight of it, and I know I won't be able to wear it till next year. I got good looking seams. Seen a couple people upset about that. But again, this is the tattoo. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, show you a little bit more of a close-up, then we'll try it on. I'll be right back. All right, so here's more of a close-up of the cap. It's got the houndstooth, the brown, the green. It says a 6-panel cap, which I do like. It's kind of like a baseball cap. It's a medium large. And there is the Norman Rockwell painting of the tattoo. Houndstooth as on the brim. Nothing on the back. And then here's the tag I was talking about with the tattoo collection. Boston Scaly tattoo collection. On both sides. Not bad looking cap. I mean, like I said, I just don't know if I'll wear it much, but it's part of the collection now. But go ahead and go back to the regular review. I'll be right back. One thing I almost forgot to show was the dust bag that came in. Oh, let's go ahead and get that the right way. Let's go ahead and open this up first. I'm going to go ahead and put the cap in this one. Hang it with my collections. Oh, that was a doozy to get open there. All right. But here is the dust bag. It's got the tattoo picture on there, the portrait painting. So this will be what it goes in. So let's go ahead and try it on. Again, this is a medium large. This does fit snug. Very snug. I should have got extra large in this one. Holy Moses. This may have to, yeah, this is way too snug. Well, this will be going to get exchanged for an extra large. Yeah, I don't even know if I could even stretch this out enough to where it would work. See how high it's, I guess that's not bad. I'll try the stretcher first. Yeah, but it definitely fits a lot snug. If you are on the fence of buying this, go up a size if you're on that in-between size like I am. Yeah, I'll be able to get the hat stretcher on this, I think. Yeah, I'll just use the hat stretcher. So this is it here, the cap. Let me know what you guys think about this cap. You guys really dig it or not? Like I said, I was on the fence. I seen some people post it on there. I did kind of like, well, I'm kind of glad I got it just because it's part of my collection. I'm not overall thrilled with it. It does look good. This week's one, the Cottontail, or yeah, Peter Cottontail hat. I'm curious to see what that looks like. I did order that as well. All right, we'll be ordering. Does that come out yet? I don't know if it came out yet. No, it comes out this Friday. Yeah, so I got to order that one. But yeah, so this is it here. This is the tattoo. Let me know what you guys think about this cap. Again, Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody have a wonderful day.